Hey everyone, in this video we'll be going through some general information on drawable shapes or objects. So when we draw shapes or objects, we have a variable. So variables are like containers that can store things, and then is equal to, and then etc. So in the future videos, we'll go through how to draw specific shapes or objects. So sometimes we would like to set the shape's color. So we'll do shape dot set fill, and then we can give it a color, for example red. And then we have shape dot set outline. So this sets the outline of the shape, for example yellow. And then we can also do set width. So shape dot set width, and then set it to like 3. And then shape dot draw, since we're displaying our shape on the screen. So we have shape dot draw, and then win. And then if we want to undraw our shape, we do shape dot undraw. And then if we want to move our shape, so the first value would be the amount that we move in the x direction, and then the second value would be the amount that we move in the y direction. So for example 5 and 10. And then we have shape dot clone. So this clones our shape. So in the next future videos, we'll go through how to draw specific shapes or objects.